first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather.
Ayan yung ating dinner.
I always wanna
Kain na
feel
guys,
like
hindi pa tayo
this.
dyan ng cornetto. Good morning.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside all night. Today, just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside all take today. Oh, doesn't it the rain? Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside all night. Today, just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside all take today. Oh, doesn't it the rain? Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type. Life right now is a movie. Oh, yeah. Where's the sound? Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Oh, yeah. Just need a happy ever after. Guess this was kind of fun when it all started going down. Walking around in PJs, nap on the couch, watching TV all day and spending time inside the house. Said it is all gonna be over by the end of May, but here I am, I face mask every day. The way this year is turning out, a Michael Bay cliche. We used to see another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day.
There we go.
Sleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display.
Zach,
Meeting of the day.
where's Holly?
But I can hear raindrops that dancing
Yeah, Holly.
on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside all make today just a little less mundane. Oh, used to get my head done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day, used to rush to work and have no time for fun, and spend half of my life on full highways. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality, four walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no.
good boy.
Nate, where's your wallet?
Why?
Well, bring your money. You might get your wallet today. Well, I'll get it, but you can pay me back.
Yep.
But if there's none there you like, don't stress. There's plenty of surf shops we're going to in Queensland. Don't get the one. Please wallet.
It's somewhere there. Dad, I'll show you where it
Zach, am I allowed to have the apple you had?
is. Here.
It's in Mommy's drawer, Baba.
Well, you found it.
Say good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Gamit ko yung
Where's my apple?
aking A7C na camera. I-try ko lang mag-vlog dito. Today is Monday.
I brought my wallet.
June what, kuya?
Here it is. That doesn't matter.
June?
How much do I give you? 20?
No, just put it in your wallet.
27.
June 27.
I got mine.
Wala tong stabilization. So, dapat hindi ako gumagalaw pag nagbo-vlog. Magnunoodles sana ako. Kaso, ayan, alis daw kami.
Can I have a drink of this?
Right, Doc?
There's not a
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is June 27. Nag-start ako mag-vlog gamit ko tong A7C kanina. And hindi na naman ako na-inform ni Jan na alis pala kami. Kaya ayan, guys. Di ko man lang na-plancha yung buko. Di ba kagabi? Pinaliguan namin ni Holly yung aming naligo kayo ni Holly and hindi ko nadala yung aking blower kaya hindi ko siya na blower and hindi ko rin siya na plancha. So ngayon alis tayong ganito lang, guys. Walang kilay. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-fixing tint ng Caris. Yan yung gamit ko. Tapos sunscreen, yun lang kasi ayun, minamadali tayo. Where are we going, Han?
Huh?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Are we going surf shop first?
Just BCF, Bunnings,
BCF, Bunny,
Reject Shop.
Reject Shop. So yan yung, bigla na naman to. Lagi nila akong binibigla. Kaya dapat lagi akong ready. Dapat gabi pa lang naka-straight ng buhok ko. Kasi pag hindi, guys, ganito siya tinakay. What's that, honey?
It's
Ganyan siya, guys, oh. Yan yung ating totoong buhok. Wait, baby. Yan yung totoong buhok natin. Pag hindi ko siya na-plancha. Ganyan. Han, can you shut your door? It's too noisy, Han.
Just hang on, I'm trying to fix this.
What's that? What? What's wrong? Ayan. So, itali natin ulit natin siya nito.
What do? You go.
Then, itry ko ulit mag-vlog dito. Sana okay yung pag-vlog ko dito. Ano lang, wala siyang salita, guys. Kung ano lang ginagawa namin. Oh, yeah. Ni Jan, o my kids. So, yun lang. Try ko lang kung okay.
No, I'm just doing that feel thing, that light.
So, yun na yung boys. Kumakain ng apple. Yes, what's
Mom,
that?
can I try those chips?
No, Baba. No chips in early in the morning. Look at your
Please
peklat.
take that on, Bub.
Go na. Go, go. Okay, guys. Itali ko ulit ang buhok ko. And si Jan naglaban na. Diba sa nabanggit ko sa inyo na maglalaba ako? Yung napakita ko yung ate sa inyo yung garbage bag na may laman ng labahan. Naglaban na si Jan. Maaga pa lang.
Huh?
Ayan.
I think we went on a 48.
And hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Sila nag-breakfast na sila.
Wait, just
Magnunoodle
rub
sana
down
ako.
I
Kaso
counted it just then and it...
wala na akong time magpakulo ng tubig. So mag-shapes na lang tayo.
If you give it a quick,
And meron akong
I got it.
cascade drink.
17,
Did you get the key, Han?
23.
Yeah.
And alcohol. So, yung first vlog nandito, June 27 ba? Kasi makalimutan ko. Nasa ko, ano itong vlog ba? Putol.
Yeah, I read it wrong. It's 48 for Willow.
You got a 48 yesterday, not 50.
Nag-uusapan na naman yung goat nila.
Roger.
That was probably sitting on the pencil.
Mga bata
Nah,
nag-breakfast na
bro.
sila. Si Jan ang gumawa ng
Nah,
breakfast nila.
That's my favourite pencils, they are.
Mahulog kayo.
Oh, there's
48.
Max.
What?
Max yun.
And I nearly leave Max. So 48 plus 57.
There's all your scooters under the thing.
Not 105.
Si Kuya nakapag-change na rin siya ng shorts. Yung bago niyang O'Neill shorts. You like it, yeah? Zach, brand new.
Look after it, Jack.
Yeah, don't eat it. Don't bite it. Don't make a hole, please, Zach.
Sucks on it.
Where's your t-shirt? I will show them what you did. Where's your old t-shirt? Ganito ang ingay naman, ha? Can you close that, please? Ganito ang ginagawa ni Zach, guys. Kinakagat niya. Hindi...
No, that's the color of the shirt.
No, where is it?
No, that's on the other ones.
Ayan. Huli. Ganyan. Halos lahat ng t-shirt ni Zach, bago, luma, ganyan po. Mayroong butas dito kasi kinakagat niya. Why, Zach? Why? Ano it tastes good?
No,
It feels good. Oh, yan ang ginagawa niya. Oh. Yung mga, mga surf brand niyang t-shirt. Ganito rin. Bago, tapos sinabihan ko siya, huwag niyang kakagatin. Are you, mice or mouse? So, next destination is, punta tayo ng shopping center. Kuha tayo ng coffee ni Jan. And, dapat di ko makalimutan yung slice na cheese. Kasi yun ang nakalimutan ko kahapon.
And surf shop.
What?
Surf shop.
Oh, we're going there.
Yeah,
So.
look at my mate.
Parang tingin din daw si
I don't reckon you'll find one.
Zach ng wallet.
I reckon you got better choice.
Yeah, just wait na lang when we go to Queensland.
Right, I just look.
Okay,
yeah,
just
okay,
look
no
then.
worries. Yeah, up you. Yeah, okay, yeah.
But is there good ones there?
No.
Yes.
But
Dad. Zach can't get the same wallet as me. Look.
Meron siyang kinukuha para sa caravan. How's your dad?
Well, Rod's got one, so carry that. You've got a clothes on. They pack up pretty good. Get one of those for you. It's up to you. You're the one using it. It's your toy.
Yeah.
Is it light? Is that there? Is that clothes on? Oh, no. Black and clothes on.
Oh, hold up.
Yeah. Here.
You can lift it up with your
You're not having both separate here. So I've got that. I've still got to get
for
spray.
$60.
What's that, Baba? Clothesline?
Brand.
So, kumuha tayo ng clothesline. You swap?
That's too big for you, but that's a large.
Dad, come here.
Large? Yeah.
Fit.
Yeah. Is it large? Why you fit on large? It's large. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
That's extra.
It's big on your shoulder.
I like that. It's closer.
But you look bigger. Oh, that's alright. Yeah.
Thank you. See ya.
We are back in the car and tingnan nyo yung nabili ko doon sa BCF. Is it BCF? Ayan, my favorite lollies. And ito yung soft candy and ito yung hard one. Ayan.
We get a park now.
Next, Bunnings. And still using my A7C. Sana hindi siya shaky. I'm trying my best. Ang bigat niya din. What's that for?
Roller.
For what?
Clean the mat. Stuff.
Just use the broom.
That battery fit on that.
Yeah, it should, because all the cater batteries are the same.
Kuha ng grass mat. Bili siya ng extension cord. You need that one? That's long enough?
15 metres, Willow. What's yours? 15 metres?
Dad, that's dumb. The PowerPoint was only
60.
Look how much for this lawnmower.
Oh, he hasn't got nothing. Here's Zach. Zach.
Dad, look how much for that lawnmower.
Yeah.
Bili sis dyan ng blower para sa caravan. Doon sa annex ba? Kung saan nakalagay yung mat para sa dust.
We're done.
How much is that? 145?
Is this a smart one?
This is the last one. I can give you one later, yeah. Where's next, Han? Anaconda. Ubus namin yung isang ganito. Buksan natin ulit tong isa kasi si Kuya gusto niya.
One more than normal for me.
Here. Kuya, oh.
Thank you for your KJ.
Thank you.
Anaconda. Punta tayo ng Anaconda.
Mommy, you want one of these chewies?
No, yes, please. Thank you. Mabigat tong A7C natin, guys. Bigat ang camera. Bigyan tayo ng chewy. Kapalit to ng binigay kong lolly sa kanya. Thank you. What's this X?
The taste is really strong. And it stays there.
Yeah. Tayo guys sa Anaconda. Malaki yung shop nila dito na Anaconda, guys. Ayun, oh. Ito yung outfit natin today, guys. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang ako kasi magiging shaky yung vlog natin. Kuya, what brand?
O'Neill.
O'Neill.
Here's a 10. Here's a 10 for 10. No.
Flower. That's nice, yeah. Get different colors.
Yeah, you get them ones. Get a black 30.
How about you, Zach? Get that one. How about
Nice jumper.
Holy daw, oh. Rasgard. How about you? How many you got, Kuya? How about you, Zach? Get one.
I already got one.
One more.
There's only size 10.
There's no size for you? No, try. Meron siyang nakitang mas gusto niya dito sa Anaconda. You can return that one, Han.
Willow.
Kasi yung isa, pwede niyang ano. Oh.
That's
Kasi,
fine, I'll get this. Still put that one there.
Yeah,
And then
match
get-
that.
You want one instead?
ayan. So, diba?
Did you
Doble-doble.
get some shorts, Zachary?
Yes, one.
What about this for Holly?
No for Holly. She don't need anything.
Yes, I do. I need some clothes.
You got lots of clothes, Baba.
Jumper for
Yeah.
night.
Yes, you do have.
I need more jumpers than that.
For these. And it brings back levels.
Okay. Holly, no, I didn't get any for Holly. Oh, no, he's not really blue. He's orange, yellow, red. That's suckers. Yeah.
10.
I want one in blue.
8. Is that going to fit you? Oh, I can go with
11 or 12. The white one, huh? I like the white blue, huh?
it. Hey, this one.
The white blue, yeah, that one Zach. I like that color.
This one. That's all.
Kuhain si Kuya for yung short sleeve. Try it, yeah?
Wait, I need something. I need something.
No, you don't need anything.
No, they're not swimming shorts.
Yeah, you can wear
Yes, you can.
I'm not wearing those for swimming.
We're going to Queensland and we can find some. Yeah,
Yeah, there's a surf.
I know. No, not now, Baba.
Yeah,
Not now.
that's to put on over you to get the sun off.
But not now, Baba. We can find
We'll get that.
better. Oh, get another one. Ah. Why don't you get me one?
You want a leg hat?
No, don't get a hat, honey. You don't need a hat.
Dad, I didn't get them.
Ito kalaki yung ating camera, guys, today. Oh my God, malulobat siya. Perfect.
You got a 10?
Pay time.
What's that?
Well, you can give me that $5 because he has to pay me.
Yung isa hindi na makatiis, nakapagpalit na siya ng short. Sak, please don't bite it, please.
Yeah, don't wreck it, Zach.
Si Sak kasi mahilig siya magkagat.
It's not what the tag did, it's what you did.
I ripped it off.
Yeah. And
Good,
you ripped the shorts.
look nice.
Yeah,
Yep.
just a little hole.
Yan tayo, papasok sa Park Beach. Ah, hindi pala.
Baby bunting. You want it, but I'll give it.
Dito na tayo, guys, sa shopping center. Dito tayo ulit, guys. Isa, what you call this? Andun si Jan, kumukuha siya ng pampausok. Sabi ni Kuya, bilhan daw natin ito si Jan, pero ayaw naman ni Jan. Jan is, daddy is what?
Awesome.
Oh, wow! It blurry, Zach. What daddy is? What's blurry? Daddy is? Awesome. Daddy is? You said cool.
Where they going?
Nihintay namin sila, bro. Di nandyan sila sa bookstore. Ang cute ng outfit ni Zaki, boy. Ang cute ng... Oh, yan, kinaga ulit. Ang cute ng outfit ni Zach. I love your outfit, Zach. Don't eat it, please. Don't bite it, please. Please don't. Come on. Don't make a hole. What's that?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. You like that?
Yeah, I've already read the first and the second. That's the third.
So, do you wanna get this one? Do you wanna read this one?
It'll come in the library.
Hintayin na. Nabasa niya na raw yung first, second, tapos yung third, wala pa raw sa library. Sabi ko, gusto niya na. Darating din daw yan sa library nila. And it's free. But if you want, it's alright, Kuya. So you can read something.
What is that?
Where? Wow! Are you reading, Bev? Wow! Barefoot Investor. Ayan, meron ulit siyang nakita. Alright, okay.
I haven't read this. This is the only book in the whole dog range I haven't read.
Yan yung favorite. Di ba na-vlog ko na rin ata sa inyo yung iba niyang books na binabasa niya? The Dogman. So, what's that one now? Ayan si Max. What's that one? The Dogman what? Kuya. The Dogman what?
Unleash. Dog brand Unleash.
Ayan. Show it to them. Ayan.
Here's the Lord of the Lake.
Si Zach, meron din siyang kinuha. What's that, Zach? The Dogman what?
Roll in the wild.
Roll of the Wild.
Mom, we'll just go to the store.
Yeah. Babasa na isa. Dito naman ulit tayo guys sa Coopers. Balik tayo dito. Hanap si Sak ng wallet. Sak, if you don't really like it, you don't have to get it, okay? Because we gonna go somewhere as well. What's that? Match with your hat.
Exact same as your hat.
Let me see.
That matches his hat. Wait, so where's the one we saw, Holly?
Show to daddy.
Oh, they're them ripped ones.
Show to daddy. Ah, diba? Binalik niya din. So, dyan ko siya ng trackies.
I want to get another hat.
That's nice.
I'll go and try these.
How about the green one? That's nice,
Oh,
huh?
they only had extra large.
What
No,
size?
they only had
Large?
extra large. I'll try the large first.
Oh, are you there, Zach? Extra large? What's that? Wow. You like that? You sure? This one. Oh. Which? That's big. No? Let me see. Yeah.
Why, you can put
No size for you. One large only. Nice. That's nice, huh? Is it rip curl? Hanap pa siyang more trackies kasi isa lang yung size dun sa kabila. So dito naman siya sa side kung meron siyang size. Yeah, looks nice. Tapos na tayo dito, guys. And
So mine's a sticker.
Yep. There you go. All done.
Thank you so much.
thank you. Okay, we're done here.
Oh, no, give it in.
Woolworths tayo. Alright. Oh, sorry. Let daddy go. Nice one. Kinuha na silang card. Do you like this bread or the other one?
The other one, you got one.
Okay. Yeah.
Fish butcher.
Where is the Turkish bread? Ayan. Babe,
Love that. That's good.
you like the stone bread? Nasaan? Hindi pala yung Turkish bread. Nasaan yung Turkish bread nila? Turkish bread? No, that's too big. Yeah, but that's too big. Yeah, get that one. Wala, nandun daw sa kabila.
Look, I got cupcakes.
Yeah. Okay. Cucumber. Yeah. Hi, kuya. Cucumber. Yeah. Grapes. Wow. Kuha ko nito. Yung ano ba, seaweed salad. Tapos, meron silang crunchy roll, chicken, katsu. Patin tayo nito. Do I have to pay it here? Okay, thank you. What's wrong? Oy, did you get more?
We've got tons.
We got?
Some in the bag.
Alright.
I got more.
I'll have to get them closed, mate. We're going to do a closed pile up today.
Okay, tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Tapos na kami grocery si Holly, yinayang daddy niya dito sa bookstore. Kasi siya yung walang book. Ayan, pinapagita ni
Dad, can I
Zachary yung kanyang wallet. Let me see, hon, how much money?
Huh?
How much money?
300?
Zach. Well, that's Zach.
What?
Just smell it, Zach.
Smell what? Smell leather, Zach?
Cause I think I do want you next to me.